Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our favorite video channel, Sri Ganit Vijnan Sarvaswam. This is B. Ramesh Kumar. Today we discuss to find the rank using normal form. Here, first of all, we discuss the definition of normal form. Now we take any matrix of order m by n, here using row transformations and column transformations. We can apply these transformations to given matrix and it will be reduced to the form of I R O 0 0 0. IR 0 0 0. This is called normal form of A. Here in this normal form, the order of unit matrix or identity matrix. Is called rank of the given matrix. The order of unit matrix is rank of the given matrix. Here the matrix IR000 is called R-rowed unit matrix. This is also very important method to find the rank. Now in this form we can apply both row transformations as well as column transformations. Both row transformations as well as column also. Here both are applied in that matrix, then it can be reduced to the form of IR 0 0 0. Now this form is called normal form of the matrix. Here R is called order of the unit matrix and we say that R is the rank of the given matrix. This is the definition for normal form to find the rank of the given matrix. So the first problem is reduce the matrix 0 1 2 minus 2 4 0 2 6 2 1 3 1 to normal form and hence find the rank. Here using the method normal form method. So the another name of normal form is canonical form. Here normal form, another name is canonical form. The another name of normal form is canonical form. So in the given problem, here replaced by normal form is canonical form also. Here we write canonical form also. So first of all, the given matrix, let it be A, is 0 1 2 minus 2 4 0 2 6 2 1 3 1. So this is the given matrix. First of all, we observe that in this matrix the first row, first element compulsory 1. Here the first element is 0. Now using row transformations or column transformations, it will be reduced to 1. So here in second column first element is 1. Now we can apply column transformation. Here C1 changes interchanged by C2. C1 is interchanged by C2. Now the resultant matrix is 1 0 1 0 4 2 2, 2, 3, minus 2, 6, 1. Here only interchanges 1 and 2 columns. Remain third one and fourth one are same. So this is the elementary matrix. And we can here we observe that the first row first element is 1. Already here the second row first element is also 0. Here and next one is 1 will be reduced to 0 using the operation R3 minus R1. So here R3 changes R3 minus R1. Now the result matrix is first row does not change, second row also does not change, third row 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 3. So here second row and third row the first two elements are zeros. Similarly here we observe that the second row second element is 4. So first of all second row second element converted into 1. Here divided by second row is divided by 2. Now R2 changes R2 by 2. In this first row does not change. Second row divided by 2 0, 2, 1, 3. Similarly 0, 2, 1, 3. Now here we can apply 2 is the 0 element. So here 2 is the 0 element. Now using operation R2 minus R3. So R3 changes R2 minus R3 minus R2 or R2 minus R3. Any transformation can be applied here. Now the regional matrix is first row does not change. Second row 0, 2, 1, 3. In third row 0, 0, 0, 0. Here we observe that totally the third row is 0. Now we can apply column transformations. Here 2 will be converted into 0. First of all C3 changes C3 minus multiply with 2 to first row 2C1 first column, and similarly C4 changes C4 plus 2C1. Now the result matrix is 1, 0, 0. Second column does not change. Third column 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0. In fourth column minus 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 0, 3 minus 0 3, 0 minus 0 0 plus 0. So here we observe that in this fourth column 3 will be converted into 0. So here using the column transformation C4 changes 2C4 minus 3C2. So 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 1 0. First three columns are does not change. Here 0 minus 0 0. Here 2 3 is 6 minus 3 2 is 6 0. This is also 0. Now we can apply any column operation. C2 changes C2 minus 2C3. So 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. And this interchanged by second and third columns. C2 changes interchanged by C3. Here the resultant matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now we observe that in this is equals to, here this is second order unit matrix. It will be written as I2 0 0 0. So which is called normal form. In this, which is normal form of A, and rank of A equals to order of unit matrix, that is 2. So this is the solution for the given problem. Now the second problem is reduce the matrix 2 1 3 4 0 3 4 1 2 3 7 5 2 5 11 6 to normal form and hence find the rank. So which is 4 by 4 matrix. Now the given matrix already written here. So we observe that in this first element of first row or first column is 2. First of all, it will be converted into 1. So here using column transformation, interchanging two columns, first column and second column. Now we can apply C1 interchanged by C2. This operation is applied here. Then the matrix can be reduced to 1 3 3 5 2 0 2 2 3 4 7 11 4 1 5 6. So this is the resultant matrix. Here first two columns are interchanged together. So here we observe that the first row of first element is 1. Now using this one, the remaining first three elements in second, third, fourth row will be converted to zeros. So here using the operation, so this is 1, this is 3. Now multiply with first row 2 3, then subtract from second row to first row, then we get this is 0. Similarly fourth row is 0, third row is 0. In fourth row this is 5, multiply with 5 to first row, then subtract from fourth row to first row, then it is also 0. Now we can apply the row transformation. R2 changes R2 minus 3R1. Similarly R3 changes R3 minus 3R1, and R4 changes R4 minus, this is 5, so multiply with 5R1. So these are three row transformations. Now it can apply in this. Then the matrix is, first row does not change. In second row 3 minus 3 0. Next 0 minus 3 into 2 minus 6. So this is minus 6. Next 4 minus 3 into 3 minus 9. 4 minus 9 minus 5. And 1 minus 3 into 4 12. 1 minus 12 means minus 11. Similarly in third row 3 minus 3 0. Next 2 minus 3 into 2 2 minus 6 minus 4. Next 7 minus 3 into 3 7 minus 9 minus 2. 5 minus 3 into 4 5 minus 12, this is minus 7. Next fourth row 5 minus 5 into 1 5 minus 5 0. Next 2 minus 5 into 2 10. 2 minus 10 means minus 8. Next 11 minus 5 into 3 5 into 3 15. 11 minus 15 minus 4. Next 6 minus 5 into 4 20. So minus 20. 6 minus 20 means minus 14. So this is our elementary matrix to the given matrix. Now here we observe in the first column second, third, fourth elements are zeros. Next here we observe that here this is also zeros. It will be converted into zeros because of 8 is the factor of 4. multiple of 4, 4 is multiple of 2, 14 is multiple of 7. Now here we can apply the operation R4 changes R4 minus 2R3. Here multiply with 2 and subtract from 4th row. This will be 0 row. So here the resultant matrix is first 3 rows does not change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, minus 6, minus 5, minus 11 and 0, minus 4, minus 2, minus 7. Next, this is 0, this is 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. So here last row will be 0 row. Next, we observe that first of all divide with 2 to second column. C2 changes C2 by 2. Now using this column operation, for second column will be converted to, observe here, first column does not change. In second column 2 by 2, this is 1, minus 6 by 2, this is minus 3, minus 4 by 2, minus 2, 0 by 2, 0. Third column is same, 3, minus 5, minus 2, 0. Fourth column also same, 4, minus 7, 0. Next, here using column operations, now first element in second column, first element in third column, first element in fourth column are zeros. Here C2 minus C1, it will be 0. Multiply with first row, first column 3 and subtract from third column, this is also 0, and multiply with 4 and subtract from fourth column, 4 is also 0. Now using the column operations, C2 changes C2 minus C1, C3 changes C3 minus 3C1, and C4 changes C4 minus 4C1. Now the resultant matrix is first column does not change, second column 1 minus 1 0, and remaining elements are same because of first column of remaining elements are zeros. So minus 3, minus 2, 0. Here also 3 minus 3, 0, minus 5, minus 2, 0. Here also 4 minus 4, 0, minus 7, 0. So this is the resultant matrix. Here these two are zeros. Second, third column and fourth column, second elements are zeros using column operations. That is C3 changes. Now multiply with 3, 3C3, and minus multiply with 5, 5C2. And then second one, C4 changes, multiply with 3. So 3C4 minus multiply with 11 to second column. So 11C2. And the resultant matrix is next one. So first column does not change. Second column 0, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 0. So this is also 0. Next here 3C3, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 5 into minus 2, plus 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And this is 0. Similarly fourth column 0, this is also 0, minus 3 to 4, minus 7 into 3, minus 21, minus 11 into minus 2, plus 22. 22 minus 21, 1. So this is 0. So this is the resultant matrix. Here we observe that using column operations, now the third column, third element is 0. That is multiply with 4 to the fourth column and subtract from third column. This will be 0. So here C3 changes C3 minus 4C4. Now the resultant matrix is first column does not change, second column also does not change, third column 0, 0, 4 0. Fourth column, here this is 0. Fourth column same, 0 0 1 0. Now here interchanging third and fourth one, C3 interchanged by C4, then the matrix is 1 0 0 0. First two columns does not change and next two columns interchange, 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. So here and also here minus 2 will be 0 using column operation. So C2 changes, C2 plus 2C3, that equals to 1 0 0 0 0 minus 3. This is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 into 0 0. So only minus 3. So minus 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 2, 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now here in second row divided by minus 3, R2 changes, R2 by minus 3, that equals to 1 0 0 0. First row does not change, 0 1 0 0. Second row will be changed divided by minus 3. Third row 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now observe this. In this, here only in this matrix only zeros and ones. Here we observe that this is the unit matrix of order 3. So it will be written as I3, 0 0 0. So this is normal form, which is normal form of A. So the rank of the matrix is 3. Therefore, rank of A equals to 3. So this is the solution for this problem. And